Hi, if you want to find the recycle bin on the iPhone 16, then watch this video. So unfortunately, there is no such bin as a recycle bin as on Android phones, but you can recover files and photos. So for the files, you can go in the Files application. Here, select the Browse section on the bottom of the screen and you will see the Recently Deleted tab. So here you can find all of your recently deleted files, and you can see that the items may be permanently deleted by your storage provider. So if you want to recover them, you just need to tap on the three dots, then select those photos. And after that, you can either delete it permanently or recover by tapping this option. Now to recover photos, we will need to open Photos application. Here we need to scroll till we see the Recently Deleted tab. Select it, and now as you can see it requires my Face ID, so let me just quickly scan my face. And now you can check all of your recently deleted photos. So to recover them, you just need to tap the Select button, then select Items, or you can tap on the three dots and select either to delete them or to recover. And just tap the Recover option, and they will be moved from the deleted folder to your main folder. And that's it how it works. I hope this video was helpful for you and thank you for watching.